You're standing in a long airport line. Your phone battery is dying. You can't find your boarding pass. And your suitcase? It's making that "please don't break" noise as it rolls. We've all been there. That moment where travel chaos hits and you wish you packed smarter. Today, we're going over 12 travel accessories that can save you in airport emergencies. 2025 approved. These aren't luxury gimmicks. They're the real deal tools seasoned travelers rely on when things go sideways. Stick around until the end, because the last few could save you from losing your passport, missing your flight, or worse, sleeping on an airport floor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let's make sure you never get caught unprepared again. Number 1. Power bank that charges fast, not slow. You'd think everyone knows this by now, but no, half the people in airports still carry power banks that charge slower than the plane itself. In 2025, your devices run your life. Boarding passes, wallets, hotel keys, everything. If your phone dies, you're stranded. So skip the cheap ones. Get a 20,000 mAh PD, power delivery, fast charger that powers up your phone and laptop fast. You'll thank yourself when your gate changes last minute and you need that QR code. Pro tip, charge your power bank before you sleep, not at the airport. Outlets are rare and fighting over one isn't worth the drama. Number 2, multi-charging cable for every device. You've seen it happen. A couple in the airport lounge arguing over who gets to charge their phone first. You can avoid that mess. Bring a 3-in-1 cable with USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. It's compact, reliable, and it saves you when someone next to you needs help. You'll look like a travel hero instead of the person asking strangers for a cord. Keep it in your personal bag, not your checked luggage. If your flight's delayed, you'll still have options. Number 3. Digital luggage scale. Here's a scene you'll never forget. Someone on the floor of the airport, halfway sitting in their suitcase, trying to zip it shut while security stares. You don't want to be that person. Airlines have become stricter in 2025. Even being 1 kilo over can cost you $75 or more. A digital luggage scale solves that instantly. Clip, lift, done. And here's the move. Weigh your luggage before heading to the airport, then pack a small foldable tote. If you're overweight, shift a few items into that tote and carry it on. Easy fix. Number 4, foldable travel backpack. Delays happen. Cancellations happen. You might find yourself exploring the airport city or walking around during a 12-hour layover. That's where a foldable backpack saves you. It folds down to the size of your hand, but expands into a sturdy carry bag for essentials. Water, passport, snacks, even your laptop. And here's why it matters. Sometimes gate agents force you to check your main carry-on. Having a backup keeps your valuables safe and with you. Number 5, all-in-one power adapter. You land in Tokyo, plug in your charger, and nothing. Different country, different outlet. That's a rookie mistake. Get a universal travel adapter with multiple plug types and built-in surge protection. Most now include USB-C and USB-A ports, so you can charge 3 or 4 devices at once. Bonus, choose one with a small fuse reset button. Cheaper ones burn out mid-trip, and then you're stuck borrowing chargers from strangers. Number 6, portable door lock for hotel or Airbnb. Not all emergency situations happen in airports. Sometimes your flight gets canceled, you end up in a questionable hotel, and you want to feel safe. A portable door lock is small but mighty. It installs from inside your room in seconds, no tools needed. You'll sleep better knowing no one can enter without breaking the door. It's one of those accessories you hope you'll never need, but when you do, it's priceless. Number 7, compression socks that work. Let's talk about circulation. After a 10-hour flight, you'll notice your feet feel swollen and heavy. That's your blood pooling from sitting too long. Compression socks fix that. But skip the ugly ones. In 2025, brands have breathable travel versions that look like regular socks. Wear them for any flight over 4 hours. Your legs won't ache, and you'll walk off the plane feeling like you actually slept. Bonus move, keep a clean pair in your carry-on and swap mid-flight. It's refreshing. Number 8, mini first aid kit, custom packed. You don't need a full pharmacy. You need a small pouch that covers the basics. Band-aids, pain relievers, motion sickness tabs, and hydration packs. I once met a traveler who fainted mid-layover from dehydration. He had nothing but gum in his bag. Don't be that person. Pack your own kit and make sure it's TSA friendly. Clear case, under 100 milliliters liquids, labeled items. Number 9, portable toiletry wipes. Airport bathrooms are hit or miss. Sometimes they're spotless, other times it's a crime scene. A pack of fragrance-free wipes can save you when the sink is broken or you need to freshen up during a delay. They're also perfect for wiping trays, armrests, and phone screens, the dirtiest spots on planes. And please skip the flushable kind. They're not flushable. Keep a small trash bag and toss them later. Number 10, hidden money belt or neck pouch. Losing your wallet overseas is a nightmare. Cards, passport, ID, gone. Keep a slim, hidden pouch under your shirt for important documents and backup cash. Not bulky, not visible. People get flagged by TSA when they wear it wrong, so remember, it goes flat under your clothes, not hanging like a necklace. If you're using mobile payments, store your main cards in a separate place. If one gets stolen, you still have a lifeline. Number 11, mini flashlight or keychain light. Picture this. You're walking through a dim hallway in a budget hotel. The lights flicker. You reach for your phone, and it's dead. That's when a tiny flashlight earns its place. Use it to check under seats, read menus in dark planes, or see inside your luggage. Keep it on your keychain. You'll use it more than you think. In an emergency, it's a small thing that makes you feel in control. Number 12, portable Wi-Fi hotspot. This one's new, but essential in 2025. Airport Wi-Fi is unreliable, slow, and sometimes unsafe. If you're traveling internationally, a portable hotspot gives you private internet anywhere. Pair it with an eSIM card, and you'll have backup data when your regular phone plan fails. It's great for accessing boarding passes, translation apps, or calling rideshares when the airport app crashes. For travelers who work remotely, it's the difference between catching a deadline and missing it. Bonus tip, noise-canceling earplugs, not headphones. This one's small but underrated. Noise-canceling headphones drain battery fast. Earplugs don't. Use soft silicone earplugs when you're stuck near crying babies or loud gates. You'll stay calm, rested, and less irritated when boarding starts. Extra backup items worth carrying in 2025? Mini sewing kit for broken zippers or torn straps. Portable luggage strap for overstuffed bags. Travel insurance app that saves receipts instantly. Collapsible water bottle. Refill it after security to avoid paying $6 for water. These sound small, but every experienced traveler knows small tools prevent big disasters. Travel in 2025 is smoother, but also more unpredictable. Delays, lost luggage, overbooked flights, new TSA rules. You can't control those, but you can control how prepared you are. Every accessory in this list exists because someone once had a terrible day at the airport. Don't wait to learn the hard way. Keep your essentials compact, reliable, and within reach. You'll travel lighter, faster, and with less stress, even when everything around you goes wrong. Now, I want to know what's your personal airport must-have. Drop it in the comments. Maybe it'll end up in the next video. And before you go, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and check out my next one. Trust me, you'll want to hear number 7 before your next flight.